Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Acer Nitro 5. This is the packaging itself. Picked it up from the store today. Link will be in the description if you want to purchase one yourself. This variant is the i7 RTX 350 model. So I'll quickly just open up packaging now. As you can see, the seal is now being broken. Alright, cool. So up we go. This specific model has the 11th gen processor, and this is the 2021 variant of the Acer Nitro 5. So here we go, just some more specs. Yeah, 144 hertz, 8 gig RAM, but this can be extended up to 32, I believe. Anyway, so we'll go open up package. Oh, ripped it there. Oh, beautiful. And it's got that new package smell as well, which is always great. Here we have some padding that I'll just quickly remove. I think I should lift up the whole laptop like this. So cool. Got the instruction manual as well. And whatever's left is just some Acer pamphlets, quick start guide, and we got the cabling here. Alright, so we'll just put it aside there. Give you guys a better angle of what we're working with. Alright, so again, start off. I believe these are screws for the hard drive if you want to upgrade it, and hard drive upgrade cable. Wall charger and just its appropriate cabling. So we'll put this all to the side, and now we're on to the main event, which is the laptop itself. Okay. Right, so here's the laptop itself. First impressions. It is plastic. Looks a bit flimsy, but build quality, it's not bad. It's not bad. So, even with Acer's, flagship laptops, it's got the same kind of chassis, same build. So all of that's great. There was issues with the keyboard with this variant, so if you have any issues, I mean, it certainly will be covered under warranty. Again, this has support for SSD and hard drive, and the hard drive is actually not included with the laptop. But if you want to upgrade, they gave you the appropriate cabling to do that. As well, look, the laptop is not charged yet. I'll get that up and running and get it set up later on. But here is the actual laptop. So here we have the vent for the fan, Ethernet cable, 2 USB 3.0s on the left side, and just a singular headphone jack. On the right, we have a Thunderbolt cable, USB 3.0, HDMI, and another vent. Okay, so again, this is the RTX 350 graphics card in here with the i7 11th gen processor. Alright, so again, this is the quick unboxing of the laptop. So far, first impressions, it's pretty good. You get what you pay for. Links will be in the description if you'd like to purchase one. And yeah, guys, that was just a quick unboxing. If you guys would like me to do a full review on it, I'll be more than happy to do so. Leave a comment down below, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. Cheers.